Hello students, next topic is exercise 3D. First bit, Roman first, second problem. Find the angle between the following straight lines 3x plus 5, 5y is equal to 7, 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. You have the formula angle between the formula cos theta. Can given the straight lines are in the form of write our standard form you can write and find out the a1 b1 and a2 b2, substitute in the formula, you get the answer is solution. Observe here, given straight lines what is straight lines is given 3x plus 5 minus 7 is equal to 0, you can write is standard form. And second one is 2x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. You can comparing here equations a1x plus b1 by c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We are comparing equations. Ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. What happened here? A1 is equal to how much it is? 3. B1 is equal to 5. C1 is equal to minus 7. A2 is equal to 2. B2 is equal to minus 1. C2 is equal to 4 only. What is the formula is cos theta is equal to angle between two lines is cos theta is equal to, you can write here, angle between two straight lines or lines. Cos theta is equal to, what is the formula? Mod of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. Substitute the values is cos theta is equal to a1 is how much, that is mod of 3 into a2 is 2 plus b1 b2 5 into minus 1 divided by under root of a1 square 3 square b1 square 5 square and a2 square 2 square plus b2 square is minus 1 whole square. Observe here, cos theta is equal to mod of 2 3 is 6 minus 5 by under root of, this is 3 square is 9 plus 25, 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. Therefore cos theta is equal to, you are getting 1 by, this is 1 by under root of, it is 34 into 5, that is 1 by root 170. You can multiply 34 into 5, that is 1 by 70. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root of 170. This is the formula. Cos theta is equal to, and theta is angle is equal to, can do remaining problems same methods. Okay, same question, find the angle between the two lines. Okay, previously how can you do this? Is also you can, first you can write the given equations, given straight lines comparing with a, you can write standard form ax plus by minus of a plus b is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And ax minus y plus b of x plus y is equal to 0. This is not a standard form. You can reduce in the standard form. How to reduce? You can observe here. Therefore, ax is minus ay, bx plus by is equal to 0. Not 0 is 2b is there, na? Therefore I can write here 2b is also 2b. You can write here x of a plus b, and in this terms you can take the y is common, therefore I can write here b minus a is equal to 2b, or you can write here a plus b into x plus b minus a into y minus 2b is equal to 0. This is the standard form is. Okay, this is a a1x. You can write here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. First one is. Second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Therefore I am comparing the terms. Is what happened, that is a1 is equal to a only and b1 is equal to b only, c1 is equal to minus of a plus b in this first equation from equation 1. From equation 2 you have the a2 is equal to how much, that is a plus b, and b2 is equal to b minus a, c2 is equal to minus 2b. What is the formula is? What is the formula is? Cos theta is equal to, formula is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. You can apply here. What you have to apply here? a1 a2. What is a1 a2? a of a plus b, b1 b2, b of b minus a by under root of a1 square a square plus b1 square b square into a2 square means a plus b whole square plus b minus a whole square, b minus a whole square. Cos theta is equal to a square, this is plus ab plus b square minus ab by mod of, you can take here, denominator you can simplify, a square plus b square as it is into, this is a plus b whole square, therefore a square plus b square plus 2ab plus, this is b minus a whole square, I can write here b square plus a square minus 2ab. This simplification you can observe here. Apply the formula only here. Therefore here AB get cancelled, AB get cancelled, here 2AB get cancelled. What the remaining terms are? Mod of a square plus b square by under root of a square plus b square into, in this term you can add 2a square plus 2b square. I can take here 2 common. What is the answer here? A square plus b square. Therefore cos theta is equal to a square plus b square of root of 2 into a square plus b square whole square. is nothing but, if you have this square is there, a root is there, therefore this cancelling, you will get the a square plus b square by root 2 as it is here, root 2 as it is, but root of this much is, how can I write here? You can write here a square plus b square, because root will be cancelling, root 2 as it is, therefore this two terms is cancelling. Cos theta is equal to, you are getting the minus 1 by root 2, sorry, plus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is nothing but cos 45 degrees and cos pi by 4. Therefore theta is equal to angle between the two lines is, angle between the given two lines is, what the answer is? This two lines angle is theta is equal to pi by 4, 45 degrees. This is the method of the finding the, if it is given two lines, find the angle. Okay. Next question is sixth one. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point given the against of the following straight lines. 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to. Perpendicular distance, how can I write here? It is given line equation is 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0 is line equation. Perpendicular point P is 3, 4. Therefore perpendicular line is, this is 90 degrees. Therefore you can find the put of perpendicular, the formula D is equal to RPM is equal to, what is the formula? You can observe here. It is given straight lines, I am writing the 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0, and point is what is given 3, 4. What is the formula is? The length of the perpendicular drawn from P of x1, y1 to straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Therefore, here a is equal to how much it is? You can write here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 10, and x1, y1 you already write, that is 3, 4. Therefore, for substitute here D is equal to mod of a x1 3, okay, and b is minus 4, y1 is 4, plus c is nothing but 10 by under root of a square plus b square, 3 square minus 4 whole square. Therefore D is equal to, you can simplify, 3 3 is a 9, is 4 minus 4 into 4 is nothing but minus 16 plus 10 by under root of 3 square is 9, it is 4 square is 16. Therefore this is 19, 9 plus 10 is nothing but 19 minus 16 by root 25. D is equal to, you are getting the answer is 19 minus 16 is 3, root 5 is nothing but 5. It is units. D is equal to how much is 3 by 5 units. Length of the perpendicular ether is, or PM is equal to, you can write here PM. This PM or P to M perpendicular distance, D is equal to 3 by 5 units. Okay, this is the method of the finding the perpendicular. We have the problems are there here, 7, 2 or 8, you can do same methods. Okay, next question is, find the distance between the following parallel lines. It is given 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, I am writing the formula here first. Ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Here x and y coefficient is must be same. X coefficient x is same as this, and y coefficient is y also. In two line equations, x is a only, b, y is coefficient is b only. Here constant is must be changed. Therefore parallel lines, you know about, how can I write here? These are parallel lines. Okay, therefore what is the parallel lines is given here? First one is 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Second one is 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is given equations. To observe here, given equations are lines, or you can write lines. What is given here? 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. You can comparing here a terms is x terms is coefficient same or not? Observe here. Or you can multiply this equation with 2. What happens? There is 10x minus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. And second one is 10x axis minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is two lines are parallel. Because your C1, C2 is changing. 10x x coefficient, y coefficient is must be same. Therefore, what is the formula is d is equal to a. Therefore, you can write here C1 is equal to minus 8 and C2 is equal to minus 9. What is the A is? A is equal to 10, B is equal to minus 6. Apply the formula here. Mod of C1 minus 8 minus of C1 is C2 is minus 9 divided by under root of A square 10 square plus B square minus 6 whole square minus 8 plus 9 by under root of 100 plus 36. Therefore, minus 8 plus 9 is nothing but 1 by under root of 136. Therefore, d is equal to distance is, I can write here, you can divide with 4. What is it here? 4 into root of 4 into 34. 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 3s are 12 plus 13. Okay, therefore is satisfying. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Root 31 not defined. Therefore, you can write that is root 34. Therefore, d is equal to 1 by 2 root of 34 units. 34 units. This is the distance between the two parallel lines. Okay. Similarly, you can find another problems. Clear? 10th one is find the equation of this straight line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 5 comma 4. This is also a very important question. What is the formula is, if it is the equation of this straight line is parallel to the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and passing through the x1 comma y1 is equal to a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 is equal to 0. Once again repeating, the formula is a of x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equal to 0. Therefore, given equation you can write here, given equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and point is what is given here, x1 comma y1 is equal to 5 comma 4 and this is a is equal to what happened, that is 2. What is the b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 7. Therefore, required equation is, or you can write here directly, a of a is 2 into x minus x1 5 plus b into b is nothing but 3 into y minus y1 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, you are getting simplified 2x minus 10 plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0, or you can write here 2x plus 3y minus 10 minus 12 is nothing but minus 22 is equal to 0. This is the required our line equation and parallel to the 2x plus 3. Therefore, x and y coefficient is not changed. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3 has changed. Yes, C1 and C2 is changing. You can observe here. The required equation or the equation of required line is, what is the formula? Answer is 2x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. Minus 22 is equal to 0. This is the method of the finding the, if it is given parallel. You can find the same method problems also. Okay. Next 11th one is find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. It is given line equation. This is, what is this equation is 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore you can find the perpendicular line is, it is formula you can observe here. Passing through the one point is x1 comma y1. Anyone you can take the point here, P is x1 comma y1. Therefore passing through the perpendicular to this line and passing through the one equation is interchanging the a and b is b into x minus x1 minus of minus a of y minus y1 is equal to 0. This is the formula. Therefore given equation is, what is the given equation is 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to how much it is, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1. Again point is given x1 comma y1 is equal to how much is given 4 comma minus 3. Then apply the formula b of x minus x1 I am writing here minus a of y minus y1 is equal to 0. This is the formula. B is nothing but how much that is minus 3. X minus x1 is 4. Okay, and minus as it is, a is nothing but 5, y minus, this is not y dash, y minus as it is y1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3x minus of minus plus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 5y minus of minus plus again this is a plus only, and minus of minus plus, plus into is minus, minus 3 5 the 15 is equal to 0. You can observe here, this is minus 3x as is, minus of minus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 5y minus of minus plus, plus into minus is nothing but minus, 5 into 3 is nothing but 15 only. Therefore minus 3x minus 5y plus 12 minus 15, how much is minus 3 is equal to 0. All the minus is there, therefore you can simplify, you can take the minus common. What happens, that is 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the, you can write here the required line equation. Line is 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. We have two methods formulas. Previously in 10th problem we are discussing about the parallel line. Okay. In this you have to discussing about the perpendicular line. Okay. Perpendicular line and parallel lines is a very important. You can do same method, you can observe formulas, you can remember and you can apply the given equations to point only. Yeah, two methods are very important questions. Okay, do all the problems. This 40th problem, find the value of k if the straight lines y minus 3k plus x plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0 perpendicular. This perpendicular is given, therefore you can write the formula is if a1x plus b1 by c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is L1, this is L2. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then we have the formula is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. What is the formula you have? If it is perpendicular to two lines are perpendicular, therefore a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Similarly, given equations you can write here. First is given equations or line equations or line. What is given here? First one I am writing the standard form, that is 3kx plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And second one is 2k minus 1 into x minus of 8k minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. These are two lines is given. Therefore a1 is equal to how much it is? Minus 3k, and b1 is equal to 1, a1 is equal to minus 3k, b1 is equal to 1, and a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, and b2 is equal to minus of 8k minus 1. Minus of 8k minus 1. We have the a1 a2 b1 b2. What is the condition is? If it is parallel, line equation 1 is parallel to line equation 2. Equation 1 is parallel to equation number 2. Therefore, how can I write here? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. You can apply here what you are getting the answer here. You can find the k value here. Therefore, a1 a2 minus 3k of a2 is 2k minus 1. Clear? And b1 is 1 into b2 is minus, you can write here minus of 8k minus 1 is equal to 0. I am substituting here formula only. Okay? Therefore minus 6k square is 3 into 2 is 6, k into k square, minus of minus plus 3k, it is minus of 8k, minus of minus plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore I can write here minus 6k square plus 3k minus 8k is nothing but minus 5k plus 1 as it is equal to 0. And you can write here, you can take the minus common. What happens? That is 6 square plus 5k minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. How to find? In 10th class studied, that is a method of the finding the factorization method you can do. This is minus 6 factors I can write here 2 into 3, or I can you can add this 2 plus 3 5 you are getting, but here minus means you get the plus only, that is minus 6 not coming. Therefore I can write here 6 comma 1, this is plus 6, this is minus 1, therefore you get the plus 5. How can I write here? 6k square plus 5k minus 1 is equal to 0. I can write here plus 6k minus k, because this is a minus 6k square is only minus 6k square. Again adding these terms, minus 6 plus 6 minus k is nothing but plus 5k minus 1 as it is. In these two terms you can take the 6k common, k plus 1. Okay, k plus 1. In this term you can take the minus 1 common, k plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore it is k plus 1 of 6k plus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 1 is equal to 0. This is 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. You can write here k plus 1 is equal to 0, or 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 1 and 6k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore what is answer here? K is equal to minus 1 comma 1 by 6. This is the finding the k values if it is given condition. What the condition is given? The two lines are perpendicular. Okay. So if it is parallel given, you can do another method. That is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Apply the formula. That is okay. This is a very important question. You can do. Next question. Minus 4 comma 5 is a vertex point is of the square, and the one of its diagonal is given 7x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the other diagonal. First you can understand the question. What is given? The square is given. Square means all the sides are equal, and one vertex is given minus 4 comma 5. Vertex is given minus 4 comma 5. One diagonal, two diagonals are there here. AC and this is AD and BC is of diagonals. Therefore, BC diagonals I am writing here 7x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. And one vertex is given minus 4 comma 5. Then you can find another diagonal. Therefore, AD you can find. You can observe here, find this one equation is given is perpendicular to another diagonal, because this square is nothing but you can, well, the condition is there, if it is two diagonals are perpendicular, then the square you can say that is. Therefore, you can find the using of this equation, find the perpendicular equation, that is AC, and passing through this minus 4 comma 5, you get the answer. How to use this method you can observe here. This is a explanation. Okay, I will do problem here. Given equation of the diagonal. Right here. Given equation of one diagonal. What is the one diagonal is 7x minus 8 is equal to 0 is given. And vertices, let the vertices is the vertex is be A of minus 4 comma 5. In a square you can write here, in a square the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. We have the formula is the equation of straight line. The equation of the straight line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, can interchange the coefficient is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. You can find here k value. Okay, this is a straight perpendicular to equation is, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The perpendicular to equation is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. If it is diagonal is what is given here, 3x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0 is diagonal, one diagonal. Okay, diagonal. Then second diagonal is how can write here? Second diagonal I can write here using the formula bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. What is the a is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 8. Don't write here c value. Therefore bx minus 1 into x minus a as it is 7 y plus k is equal to 0. Can write here minus x minus 7y plus k is equal to 0. Again you can observe here, this is the equation of that is what I am writing here, minus x minus 7y plus k is equal to 0. This is our diagonal. Is passing through the, or a is on the AD equation. Okay, therefore I can write here, you can call this equation number 1, or therefore the above equation the above equation passes through or passing through a of minus 4 comma 5. Then you can find the k values. Therefore, you can substitute here minus of minus 4. Okay, x minus 7 into y is nothing but 5 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, plus 4 minus 35, 7 5 is 35 plus k is equal to 0, or minus 31 plus k is equal to 0, or minus 35 is equal to minus k. K is equal to how much, that is 31 only, that is 31. Therefore, required equation is minus x minus 7y plus 31 is equal to 0, or I can write here minus, you can take the common, x plus 7y minus 31 is equal to 0. This is our required equation or second diagonal equation. Other diagonal you can write here x plus 7y minus 31 is equal to 0. This is finding the equations if it is square is given, one diagonal, another diagonal. You can use all the formulas and perpendicular or parallel. You can observe here and do problems. Second Roman, first problem, find the equation of the straight lines passing through the 1 comma 3, and first one is parallel to and second one is perpendicular to the line passing through the points is 3 comma minus 5 and minus 6 comma 1. You can figure, you can draw this is, it is given passing through the 2 points is, this is the equation. This equation is, first one is asking is parallel and second one is perpendicular. You can find the L1 and L2 equations. You can understood for the question. What is asking here? Find the equation of the straight lines, which is, that is L1 and L2. What is the condition given? Is passing through the one point is 1 comma 3 is and passing through the points is again equation is 3 comma minus 5 minus 6 comma 1. Therefore, the equation is equation is given a and b, the points of the two equations. This is a of 3 comma minus 5, b of minus 6 comma 1. This equation is parallel to and perpendicular to. You can find that as is L1 and L2. See, solution is, given the points is written, given points a of 3 comma minus 5, b of minus 6 comma 1, and let pb is 1 comma 3. P is 1 comma 3. Now AB equation, how can I write here? AB line equation. What is the formula is? This given is 2 points. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to, you can find the slope, and m into x minus x1. You can use any method. First you can find the slope. Therefore, slope of the AB is equal to, what is the formula I am writing here? Y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. M is equal to, what is the formula? Y minus y1 by x1 minus x2. Therefore, you can take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Consider as x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the slope? You can write here, minus y1 is nothing but minus 5, minus of y2 is nothing but 1 only. Again, x1 minus x2 is 3, minus as it is, x2 is nothing but minus 6. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 is nothing but minus 6. This is 3 plus of 6. Therefore, AB slope is equal to, AB is equal to, you got here minus 2, minus 6 by 9, that is I can write here minus 2 by 3. This is the finding of the slope. Find the equation is, Find the equation. AB equation. AB equation you can substitute here. You can take here x1 y1 is there. Y minus of y1 is nothing but minus 5. Okay, is equal to m is how much it is? Minus 2 by 3, and x minus x1. X minus x1 is nothing but 3. Therefore, y plus 5 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 3. You can simplify this one. What happens is 3y plus 15 is equal to minus 2x plus 6 only, or I can write directly 2x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the AB equation. Okay, you got here AB equation. What is the equation? This is, you can write here 2x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, again first one is I am asking here, let line is L1 is parallel to AB. You got your AB equation. You can use this equation. You can find the remaining two equations. Okay, if it is parallel line, means okay, right here, then the L1 equation is, then the L1 equation is 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. It is parallel means you can write here both are x and y coordinate is same, but c1 c2 is not same. Therefore I am c1 as I can observe that is k only. Is above equation is passing through 1, 3. It is P is 1, it is L1 is passing through the 1, 3. Therefore substitute, you get the k value. 3 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to how much that is? 9 plus 2, 11. Can bring this side, what I mean that is minus 1. Therefore k is equal to how much you got here? K is equal to minus 11. Therefore required equation is or line is 2x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. You can substituting here k value is as a minus 11. Okay, this is the finding the parallel line. Same you can find the perpendicular. How can write here perpendicular? We have the formula is, second one is, if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, line perpendicular to equation is, perpendicular to line is, how can I write here? Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. This is the important. Therefore again this is a, you can find in the L2 is, therefore AB is perpendicular to L2. Therefore I can write here AB equation. What is given here? 2x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0 is AB equation. Therefore L2 equation I can write here, L2 is, interchanging a B to A to B is minus, you can put. Therefore 3x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. And above equation is passing through 1, 3. Passing through 1, 3. Therefore substitute here 3 of 1 minus 2 of 3 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore what happened is 3 minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to how much that is? 3 only we are getting. Plus 3 getting. Therefore here what is the equation is? I can write here 3x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is called here, the required equation is above. The required equation is parallel to perpendicular. This is parallel equation. This is the problem of the second Roman first problem is. These are the very important problems. Okay, this exercise total is very important compared to other. Okay, next question is, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y plus is equal to 0 and making an intercept of minus 4 on the x-axis. It is not passing through any point is given. It is given intercept of the x-intercept is given. X-intercept is given. Listen. First I am writing the formula is equation of the line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Similarly, you can write here given equation. What is given here? Given equation 3x plus 4y minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Then perpendicular equation is, by the formula I can write here 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Clear? This is 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Therefore I can write here intercept form. You can write here. How can I write here intercept form? 4x minus 3y is equal to minus k. Therefore here minus k is there. You can multiply with both sides. 4 minus what happens is 4x plus 3y is equal to k only. I am multiplying with minus. Therefore you can divide with k. Therefore minus 4x by k, 3y by k is equal to 1. What the intercept form is? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A is the x intercept, b is the y intercept. Therefore you can write here x by minus k by 4, y by k by 3 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form. Therefore, and what is given here? X intercept is given. X intercept, what is given here is equal to is minus 4 is given. In problem, what the intercept is? Minus k by 4. Minus k by 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus minus it cancel. Therefore k is equal to 16. Therefore you can write here k, you can substitute. What is the answer here? 4x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0. Our required equation is perpendicular to equation is. Okay, very simple problems are there, but you can understood questions and you can do. I will tell you next class remaining problems. Okay, and second Roman and third problems. Okay, thank you.